guess I need to get through the door before it closes. Riku!
Sora! I will be your oblivion.
Like it?
Wait! Ansem! Where are you going?
Riku!
Hey, let's speed it up. Keep the line moving. Think fast.
Take this!
Try again!
You better run.
See ya!
For reload.
Back off!
Hey, watch it.
You like it?
For reload.
Come on! You like it?
You better run.
Try this!
For reload.
It's over!
Take this.
Back off!
Let's make it interesting.
It's over!
Start dancing.
Here we go!
Just for you!
You like it?
Take this.
Just for you!
This is your power. Figures. If I had a Keyblade, it'd be different.
Like you're actually worthy to use one?
Oh. I am worthy.
What do you mean?
The old coot promised to bequeath me his. Why else do you think I would ever put up with all his nonsense?
It'd be wasted on you.
As if.
I'm unstoppable! Think fast! Later! Come on! Got him! You like it? Darkness! Heal! You like it?
Back at you!
I'm done with you!
Back at you! Got him!
One more!
Back at you! It's over!
Try again!
Come on!
You like it? You like it?
Got him!
Darkness! Think fast!
Back
But
at you!
why? You're not real. Huh? I'm the real one. Aren't you my past self? From when Ansem possessed me? No. You beat Ansem and you're still here. This guy is me. I knew it. It's a replica. A soon-to-be empty vessel. I've been waiting for a chance like this. Hey! What are you doing? Take the vessel! No. The world already has you. There's someone else who needs the replica more. You know who I mean. Oh. Namine, you're saving her. Good luck.
Is that a replica for Namine?
Yeah. Wish we could help her now. But first,
I know.
I'm going after Ansem.
Okay. I'll go help the others. Yeah! Your Majesty!
Sora! See ya! Worm!
Back at ya! Yeah! See ya! Back
What's
off!
the matter?
Got him! What? There! Yeah! Back off! Xemnas!
Exactly what I needed.
Sora, look out! Huh?
No!
Sora, one final game. The rules are simple. All you have to do to win is find me among these cards and strike me down.
Don't worry. I'll get you out!
See ya!
Yeah!
Tycho,
Take this!
over here. Tycho,
What's the matter?
Back at ya! Yeah!
figure the rules out.
Yeah!
Let's start over.
Yeah!
Tycho, when you beat the odds. Impressive. It's more fun. Too bad. Too bad. Over here.
Back at ya!
Too bad.
Got him!
Too bad. Where'd I go?
Yeah! It's over!
Figure the rules out.
Yeah!
Shuffle.
Yeah!
Choose
What's the matter?
wisely.
Yeah! Yeah!
You were born for these sorts of games.
What's this?
A wild card. You've earned it. Hang on to it. Could turn the tables.
Play again someday. When we're just guys.
I should like that very much, Sora.
Thanks.
See ya!
So long! What? Yeah! Stop playing!
Yeah!
Yeah!
See ya! What's the matter?
Back at ya! What? Try this! Settle down! Got him!
What's the matter?
So now it all comes back to me.
Hey, is that a real laugh?
Yes. My heart is remembering how to feel.
Really? That's good.
And now I am on the cusp of reclaiming my identity, my purpose for being. Thanks to you, Sora.
I will break you!
Yeah!
What's the matter?
Back at ya!
See ya!
Yeah!
See ya! You're mine!
Yeah! Try this! It's all over.
No way! Are you kidding?
You're gonna be recompleted.
I didn't ask you for your garbage opinion. I lost to a bunch of losers like you. But could be worse. Become that geezer's heart tank? No thanks.
Then why help him?
I was really just along for the ride.
With...
My secret.
Sora, I'll go after Xemnas, while you go find the others.
The sun's going down. Heal! So these panels in the floor are switches for the doors. Yeah. Kairi! Axel!
Sora!
Nice to see ya.
It's over! Get away! New escape! New escape! Back at you! There!
I call on the moon's pale light.
It's over!
was a time when I trusted you to deal with traitors. And now your betrayal outstrips them all. What final words do you have for your superior?
Well, let me think about it. How about you were never my superior?
Ever the rogue pawn. Knocked from the board early in the game. Utterly useless and forgotten.
Are you kidding? Do you know how popular I am? I got loads of people rooting for me. Sorry, boss. No one axes Axel. Got it memorized?
Is this supposed to be a Keyblade? Or is it some sort of joke? Our plans have been dashed by you. Far more times than I care to count. Now it ends. I will purge that light in you. With darkness. Changing sides again?
We need him alive. You know that.
We only need his heart in order to forge the key. We do not need his soul. Oh, but that's right. You were friends. Then, you take his life.
Who are you?
Don't do this. Wait. It's all right. You can stop now. It's all right.
Xion.
Useless puppet.
Shield!
Your Keyblade is no more. And still you think you can play at being a guardian of light? You can wait your turn. Also ran.
Hands off my friends.
It cannot be.
Roxas! My turn.
Roxas.
This is impossible. Where did you get a vessel?
Same as you.
Same how?
Most of the organization's members, they traveled here from the past as hearts. And you had replicas ready and waiting. One for each of them.
Who told you?
I owe my return to many. Some of them people you knew.
Ansem the Wise. Zexion.
And others too. It seems you're not as good at winning over people's hearts as you think.
Ah, I see.
There was one last thing I needed in order for me to be whole again. A connection. Sora helped me find my way back here. To my friends.
Roxas,
I don't need hearts. I will scatter them all to the winds.
Kyrie!
What difference does one little light make? You have others. Just as we have more darknesses to replenish our ranks.
Rest, Axel. Roxas will fight in your place. And I'll fight for Kyrie.
Yeah, when it comes to Keyblades, you're the old hands.
Get away!
Over here! Get back at you! Get ready! Got him! Get back at you! Over here!
It's over.
Over here!
No escape. It's over.
Over here!
Abandon hope.
Over here!
Get away!
Got him!
The moon shines down!
Back at you!
No escape.
Like this! Got him!
We still haven't achieved our goal. Why so sad?
You let them reduce you to this?
I thought you outgrew the marks under your eyes.
So?
You look like you need them.
Stop it. The whole act. I thought this was all for her.
At first, I sacrificed everything to try and track her down. You're the one who went off and made other friends. Left her and me both in the dust. It infuriated me how you just exited our lives. I lost all sense of purpose.
I didn't forget you.
Yes, I know. You wouldn't do that. But I was jealous.
You admit it.
Well, if I make it back, you won't get it out of me a second time.
See you, Isa.
See you, Lee.
You go help Kyrie.
Right. Gotta run. Good luck.
All right. What now? Guess I should have brought some ice cream.
Nice! Aqua! Ven!
Sora!
You will release
Over
my
here.
friend's heart.
Nope.
Back at ya! Take this! You wish! Got him! Back off! Yeah!
Nope.
Yeah! Back off! Yeah!
Over here.
Back at ya! Got him! Yeah! There!
Over here.
Back at ya!
Give it up. Dark times ahead.
See ya!
Don't let it break him.
Here we go!
Break him. Break him. Break him. Join the shadows.
Give it up! Take this! You wish! Let's go!
What? Ow.
Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Right! Back at ya! You're nothing! Give it up! Yeah! Strike!
Annoying.
I need the rest of me. Your face.
I'm the piece of Ventus that was taken away. And you're the piece Ventus needed to be whole again. So, why shouldn't you and I look exactly the same? You define me, Sora, the same way that Ventus does. We are brothers who together make a greater whole.
Then why won't you stand by our side? Instead of with darkness?
Because I am darkness. And I do stand by your side. I'm the shadow that you cast. How much closer could I be?
But I didn't
ask for this. To be sifted apart, nice and neat. We should be free to choose. Not just light, not just darkness. We decide what we are.
But, Ventus, I did decide who I am. You see?
And what you are is darkness?
What I am is darkness.
Okay.
How is that okay? Vanitas?
Aqua... Ben...
Terra, please!
Come back! Terra!
Terra! Your friends are here!
Terra! Terra!
You have to fight the darkness!
You'll never be able to break these chains. They're our bonds. You have no power over me!
Stop, Terra! Please, stop it!
Farewell.
No!
Terra, I kept my promise.
You fell to the
One day, I will set this right. One day, I will set this right. I will return to this land and protect
my friends.
Terra, now!
Aqua! Ven!
Terra? Is it you?
Yeah. You never stop lighting my way back. You're here. I heard you too, Ven. You found me, just like you promised. Thank you.
Aqua and Ventus need rest. Terra, look after them.
No, Sora. I'm going to.
That's what he wants. For us to make a mistake. Put ourselves in danger.
Sora, go. We'll catch up with you.
Right. I got this. It's night already? Heal!